I really bought this camera to moto vlog with, but I'm gonna use it for my other vlogs too, since I can just get other angles and things like that. But yeah, moto vlogs coming soon. What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we have a review of, well, an unboxing of the GoPro HERO 8. I just got this today. This is how it comes. Hyper smooth stabilization 2.0, and these are some of the attachments it has on the back. It has the camera itself, the battery, some attachments, a charger, and some more clips for the GoPro. I don't even know how to open this. Oh, this is the GoPro itself. GoPro HERO 8. This is the case. I'm pretty sure this has the batteries and everything in it. This is, comes in the box when you open the box. This little top compartment here is housing the charger, the battery, and what is this? This is one of the GoPro attachments. It also comes with like a little 3M, I don't know, what would you say, sticky. I wonder if the camera will turn on because it hasn't been charged and it's just been new in the box. I'm pretty sure the battery is dead and it's been in the case without the charger. I'm surprised the battery didn't have at least like 50% battery in it. But yeah, I'm gonna charge this up and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all how it looks turned on. Give me a second. Okay, we're back. The GoPro is charged. I'm gonna turn the GoPro on. Little GoPro screen comes up. Now it's asking me to choose the language. Legal stuff, just agree. Okay, so if you connect the camera to the app, you can transfer, edit, and share videos to your phone and also to other media. It has like a little HERO 8 thing that comes up on the front screen right there. I'm gonna skip setup for now. What is today? Today is 1/9. 23. Time is 12:14. Alright, I'm gonna have to also get an SD card. I don't have an XD card. Also, an SD card did not come in this box. It's a micro SD. I probably might have one laying around, so I could just use that one. But yeah, that's it for this unboxing. This is the GoPro HERO 8. If you like this video, please do your boy a favor. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and do not forget to turn on post notifications so you'll be notified every time your boy drops a video. Either it's a vlog, unboxing. I really bought this camera to moto vlog with, but I'm gonna use it for my other vlogs too, since I can just get other angles and things like that. But yeah, moto vlogs coming soon. Subscribe to the channel and peace.